Yo. Hey y'all, what's up, man? Welcome back to my channel. I know what y'all think. Y'all like, man, you ain't even post on here in a while. You forgot about us. I know it's been, you know what I'm saying? I've been going through a lot of stuff, but I'm back. Here I am, goddamn, I'm back with another tutorial self-cut. As you can see, I'm looking kinda rough. Boy, this boy, a little crazy, but peep the line. Boy, that jump a little rough. Look at all that, like, man, come on, bro, look at that. Man, that jump a little rough. Man, y'all get the roast in the comment section, bro. I don't even blame y'all, bro, for real. I'm about to show you how to bring this back. Bring this back to life, cause right now, bro, this ain't where it's at, so we about to get into it. I got some new clippers. Well, they from the beauty supply store. I don't know what. Baby Bliss Pro, these. I ain't gonna lie, these shit special now, but they work good in the motherfucker. These, I'm about to use these motherfuckers. The Andes. Don't forget the gloves now. Gotta have black gloves, you know what I'm saying? You gotta look professional. Use the 2 guard, use that 1.5, that motherfucker right there, hold up. The 1, don't forget that 1 now. The hand guard, you know what I'm saying? That 0.5. Let me get that 1.5. So you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get started. I'm about to show y'all this cool ass transformation. Then go to looking like a bum to looking like a one. Hell no, that shit go corny as fuck. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial, this video, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so first step in this tutorial, we gon' burst all the jigaboos out. So what you wanna do? Pull this jigaboo back. Pull this back and brush it down. So you wanna lay it down all. First step I like to do, I like to go ahead and line my C cups up so I can already know. So first off, so I can keep them dark, and then another so I can keep my guideline straight. I'm gonna take a brush every time I line up, just brush it down, just keep, you know what I'm saying? That I'm gonna teach y'all about that later. It's a rough line. So as you can see, we got this side right here lined up. Just a rough line. I ain't defined one out the right side. So we got this side straight right there. So we gonna start on the right side. Make sure they both lined up even on the side with each other. This C cup lined up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but so I got both C cups lined up. So after you get both of them lined up, that's where you start the first guideline. First line it up. We like my eye right here. You see that? First line it up with my eye, and I mark it right here. Boom. Mark it right there. Make your first guideline, then you want to tap it all the way in the back. So as y'all can see, I done made the first guideline all the way in the back. You know what I'm saying? It's little. First, you want to keep your guidelines neat, so I made the ball line right there. And then you see how I kept the edges dark. That way, when you fade, it'll make your fade pop. So next step, take your clippers, your faders. You know what I'm saying? Take your clippers. See this lever right here? This is what the magic happen right now. First, the next guideline, you want to move this all the way open. Move that all the way back. This is open, all the way open, all the way closed. Make the second guideline, you want to go an inch, just maybe a half an inch above the first guideline. Yeah, you want to keep brushing too. Keep brushing. So every time you go up, just keep brushing. So you have a clean canvas so you can see what the hell you're doing. You don't want no fucked up fade, man. Alright, so I got the second guideline in, as you can see. Got it all around my head, even on the right side too. I don't know if you see that. Know what you're saying? It may look crazy, but at the end, it's gonna be worth it. Yo, so y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. So now you wanna take the first guideline out. Start all the way open, and then work your way closed. Cause when you start right here and you fuck up and don't get that hair back, and I'm just trying to leave some room for a mistake. Y'all can see that line coming out. Y'all can see the first guideline is removed. It's still a little darkness there, but we gon' do detail work toward the end. We're gonna do some detail work toward the end. Alright, with big guards, you can work my way down. Anyway, you take your two, make sure you wanna start it open, and then you wanna fade, take the knock the bulk down, keep knocking it down. Half guard, 1.5, you know what I'm saying? Now I got the, I can see it, one guard. Oh, he's my name. One guard, right? Start with the one guard open. You can see the line is out. You may still see some dark spots, but if you do, just no guard it, have no guard on, but open it all the way and just take out those dark spots. Do it like it. Be careful though. Just there. You know what I'm saying? Fade. It's looking like a fade now. It's looking like a fade. Fade. Now keep the fade coming. Keep the fade. Right. Now we're gonna prick the line up. So usually what I do, I take probably like one half guard, just go with the grain and trim some of that bulk down. Trim that bulk down. Get all them jigaboos out there. And you got your hair. All that, even the hairline. Trim that down. Better line up there. So as we trim that down, once you got everything trimmed down, let's go. Start with the left side right here, line up. We'll line this up again. See that line right there? But we ain't done yet. This just the beginning right here. Just sometimes you can flip the trimmer and get at a different angle. That way it can attack it more. So I flip it upside down, down, like that. You gotta be careful on this. Alright, boom, that side done. Now I'm about to do the other side. And next, it's time to do the hairline. We gonna brush that down. I'm sure I forget like y'all need to do it now, yeah. Just gonna hold it in place so you can